for our definition of percent, a percent is a ratio whose denominator is 100. So I can write a percent using the percent sign. I could write it in fractional form. If I wanted to change it to a fraction, it would be 4 over 100. And if I changed it to a decimal, it would be 0.04, where the last number ends in the hundredths place. 25% would be 25 over 100, or 0.25. Okay, and then to solve a percent, we're going to set up a proportion. We could have percent over 100 equal to is over of, or I can have percent over 100 equal to the part over the total. The total is also sometimes referred to as the whole. Okay, so to remember this, I have a song, and it goes, percent goes over 100, percent goes over 100, percent goes over 100, or is over of. The part goes over the total, the part goes over the total, the part goes over the total, or is over of. Okay. If I need to find a percent, if I had 9.5 is what percent of 25? Well, I don't know the percent. That's what I'm trying to find. So I'm going to set up percent over 100 equals is over of. I have this number that matches up with my is. 9.5 is of 25. So I have this number that matches up with of. So I'm going to put x where I have percent because I don't know the percent. X over 100 equals 9.5 is my is number over 25 is my of number. So percent over 100 equals is over of. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply diagonals, divide by the other. Okay, so if I multiply 9.5 times 100 equals 25 times x. So 9.5 times 100 is 950. 25 times x is 25x. I want to get x by itself, so I can divide by 25. Those cancel out. 950 divided by 25 is 38. So x equals 38. So 38%. Therefore, these three dots mean therefore. Therefore, 9.5 is 38% of 25. I'm going to take that percent and fill it in where I had the what percent. Now I know. Okay. If I need to find the part, if I know the percent and I know the whole, I need to find the part. So, what number is, that's the one I don't know, what number is 24% of 50? So I don't know my is number. I have a percent and I have an of number. So I'm going to do percent over 100 equals is over of. My percent was 24, so 24 over 100 equals is, I don't know, of, my of matches up with 50. Okay, I'm going to cross multiply. Or you could cross multiply diagonals. So these are my diagonals. Divide by the other. Okay, so I do 24 times 50 is 1200 equals 100 times x is 100x. I divide both sides by 100. I get x by itself. X equals, well, 1200 divided by 100 is 12. Therefore, 12 is 24% of 50. Finding the whole. If I know the part, I know the percent, I need to find the whole. So if I have 39 is 52% of what number? Well, I don't know. Okay, so I have percent over 100 equals is over of. 52 is my percent, so 52 over 100 equals is over of. 39 is my is, or my part, over my whole, that's my of. I don't know what it is. Okay, so I'm going to cross multiply. 39 times 100 is 3900. 52 times x is 52x. Divide both sides by 52. I get 3900 divided by 52 is 75. So x equals 75. Therefore, 39 is 52% of 75. A word problem. If your school raised 75% of its fundraising goal, the school So they raised 75% of their goal. The money they earned, the raised, is $33,750. What was their goal? So they raised $3,750, but that was only 75% of their goal. I want to know what was their goal. When are they going to need to stop? So 75 over 100% goes over 100 or is over of. Okay, so 75 over 100 equals 3,750 over my total. So this is the part that they've earned over the total. I don't know what the total is yet. Okay? Cross multiply 3,750 times 100 is 375,000 equals 75 times x is 75x. Divide both sides by 75. I get x equals 5,000. So my goal, my fundraising goal, was $5,000.